Merry meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. Today I'm going to be reciting the Heart Sutra, and may all of you beautiful mother sentient beings receive the good merits from the sutra. Blessed be. Let's get started. Avaloki Dishvara Bodhisattva, in practicing the profound Prajnaparamita, perceived that the five skandhas are empty and thereby became free from all suffering. Also, Putra, form is none other than emptiness. Emptiness is none different than form. The same is true with perception, conception, volition, and consciousness. Also, Putra, all dharmas are characterized by dependence upon causation. They're neither created nor do they perish, neither devolved nor immaculated, neither increasing nor decreasing. Therefore, in emptiness there's no form, no perception, no conception, no volition, no consciousness, no eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, or mind. No form, sound, smell, taste, touch, or object of mind. Up to no realm of consciousness, no ignorance, nor its extinction. Up to no age and death, nor their extinction, there's no suffering, no cause of suffering, no extinction, no path, no wisdom, and also no attainment, because there's no object to be obtained. The Bodhisattva, through practicing Prajnaparamita, have no obstacles in the mind. Having no obstacles in the mind, they overcome fear, ultimately realizing nirvana. All Buddhas of the past, present, and future, realizing Prajnaparamita as the great, bright, unsurpassed, unequaled mantra, the destroyer of all suffering, the truth. A mantra Prajnaparamita should therefore be proclaimed. This is the mantra: Gate, Gate, Pragate, Prasagate, Bodhisattva. Blessed be Guan Yin. May the sutra I recite go forth to bless the mother sentient beings who watch this video, and so it is. Also guys, I have my Mystic Priestess Etsy shop if you guys want to check it out, in the description box and comment section down below. I made a beautiful amethyst mala, some bracelets. I have a bunch of neat products on my Etsy shop, so you guys should go ahead and check it out. And if you're wondering what the Heart Sutra is, definitely do some research guys. There's so much information on it. It's just a beautiful sutra that Guan Yin received from another Buddha to help her just help all the sentient beings, like in the hell realms, beings on earth, in heaven, just everyone all around, just to help them progress, and so we can all return home and be in peace, be in nirvana, and not have to incarnate anymore. So there's a little bit backstory behind it. It helps you purify a lot of karma and help you clear up stagnant stuff that you need to clear, so you can just live your best life and have so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also recite the sutra to help infuse my crystal grids and intentions and get those blessings from all the bodhisattvas. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and like always, from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys always be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.